We're trying to get there. Oh yeah, baby. Hey, you better get in this thing this week. There we go. Hey guys, it's Mike at Narks Love Customs. Rocky Mountain Race Week begins right now for us. We are headed to Tulsa to meet the in-laws, see our kids again, get over there. They've been at the zoo all day, so we are loaded up. I am loaded up in this. Melissa's in the family rig to come back tomorrow, and I'm headed that way. All right guys, day one. Gonna unload the wife's rig and start putting stuff all back in the cart. Didn't think about all the dew. Huh. That'll make for an interesting week. All right, we are loaded up, except for the tires. We've got to get the tires out of the Suburban, and we'll be ready to go. I think the cooler, we'll get some straps to tie that down, but bungee cords will hold it till we get to the track. We've arrived, guys. Let the nervousness set in. So anxious. Holy jeez, look at all them cars in tech. You can't see shit, I know it. Holy jeez, look at that. I'm gonna love this. Yeah, boy. Holy shit, look at all these cars. Holy shit. Nope. We officially have numbers. Oh my god.
I just gotta figure out.
Oh guys, that's the tech dude right over there. We're gonna see what he says.
Oh my god.
All right, so the car didn't pass tech because the switch on the back was not turning the car off. So we did some wire modifications and should have it good now. And got to go back over and snag the tech guy so we can get it all fixed. Holy shit. Holy shit, it's those guys!
That car was cooking 130 in the 8, so he'll be back around.
We're trying to get there. Oh yeah, baby. Hey, you better get in this thing this week.
No information on the Challenger here just yet. We'll get
Already, Chris?
Yeah.
All right guys, we're adding some horsepower here. We've got a bunch of 1320 stickers all over the car. So we got an extra couple of hundred horsepower there. And we're fixing to pull the air filter out. Put that thing on there. Oh, damn, son. 260.
Pretty sure that's a stick shift car, I was told.
That's a little rack, but
Aaron Roberts in the right lane, the blue Mustang.
Freeing up that horsepower right here.
Yeah, take it
Pull
out.
that filter out.
Take it out.
Look at.
Oh, man.
At the stripe, 1208 in the left lane, 1284 in the right.
This ought to put us. I'm gonna do this and open the exhaust cutout up, and so we should be, 13.8 or something. We're looking for a 14 today.
Oh, yeah. Be safe.
Got Brian Greenlee here coming at you, the green
Drive
Challenger in
fast
the
and
left
take
lane.
chances.
Hey.
Do it safely though.
No, damn.
Going against Matt.
All right, guys. So for our second pass, we pulled the air filter. We pulled the cone that lets air in, so we should get more air. I'm going to open the cutout, and we're hoping for a 14.9.
Again, True Street, 13 and 14. You should be making your way down the lane 2 and 3, please. 2 and 3.
Give me these. Oh, yeah. Hey, there you go. I can't see because of my stickers. All right, guys, we're turning our first time slip with June. 687. Awesome. All right, we're done. Here we go. Driving. Give that to Dustin. Where the hell did you go? Hey, thanks. We'll see y'all.
Still no slouch, obviously.
All right, there's our pass. On the left lane, obviously. All right, here we go. Time to go to the hotel. All right, guys, into day one. Everybody is getting fuel at a closed gas station that we really needed to be open because I'm so freaking hungry. We haven't eaten since about 1 o'clock today. Jason said, fuck y'all, he don't need no gas. Everybody's filling up for tomorrow. I passed tech. Can you believe it?
Nice.